In 2025, the landscape of humanoid robots has evolved dramatically, with options ranging from affordable innovators to elite models that push the boundaries of technology. Let's dive into the best humanoid robots of this year, comparing them based on cost, technology, and power. First up, we have the affordable innovators. The RoboBuddy 2.0 stands out as a fantastic entry-level option, priced at just $1,500. This little marvel is equipped with basic AI capabilities, allowing it to assist with household tasks like scheduling and reminders. Its lightweight design and user-friendly interface make it perfect for families or tech enthusiasts looking to dip their toes into robotics. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, its reliability and ease of use make it a solid choice for everyday tasks. Moving into the mid-range category, we find the Atlas Pro. Priced around $5,000, this robot is a significant upgrade, showcasing advanced mobility and dexterity. With its ability to navigate complex environments and perform tasks like lifting and carrying, the Atlas Pro is ideal for small businesses and educational institutions. Its cutting-edge sensors and AI allow it to learn from its surroundings, making it a versatile assistant. The technology behind the Atlas Pro is impressive, featuring real-time data processing that enhances its performance in various settings. Now, let's talk about the elite robots, where the competition gets fierce. The Sophia X is a standout at $15,000, combining advanced AI with human-like interactions. Sophia X can engage in meaningful conversations, recognize faces, and even express emotions. This robot is not just a tool, it's designed for social interaction, making it perfect for customer service roles or as a companion in healthcare settings. Its sophisticated algorithms allow for continuous learning, enabling it to adapt to user preferences over time. The investment in Sophia X is substantial, but for those seeking a truly interactive humanoid experience, it's worth every penny. And then we have the wild cards, robots that are still in development but promise to revolutionize the industry. The Neurobot, currently in prototype phase, aims to integrate neural networks with humanoid robotics. While its price tag is still unknown, it's expected to be a game changer in terms of cognitive capabilities. Imagine a robot that can think and learn like a human, capable of complex problem-solving and emotional understanding. The potential applications for such technology are limitless, from education to therapy. As we explore these humanoid robots, it's clear that the future is bright. Each category offers unique features tailored to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for an affordable assistant, a capable mid-range robot, or an elite model that can engage on a personal level, there's something for everyone in 2025. What do you think? Are you excited about the advancements in humanoid robotics? Which robot would you choose for your home or business? Share your thoughts in the comments below.